Ever notice how just seeing someone yawn can make you yawn too? Scientists still puzzle over why yawning is so contagious. But here's what we know. Yawning helps cool your brain, making you more alert. When we see someone yawn, mirror neurons in our brains light up, triggering empathy and a shared physical response. It's thought to be a social bonding tool, our brains syncing up. Even reading about yawning can make you do it. Next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of staying sharp and connected. What's your take on this phenomenon? Follow for more facts.